Today we are here in the township at Manette Soup Kitchen feeding so many people. But we're not only here to feed them, today we're planting seeds for their future. Our mission is to plant a tree for every single subscriber. We are on 7,681 subscribers, and today we're adding another 3 trees to the 10 or to the 7 that we've already planted. So today we are on 10 trees that we've planted. But the other thing is, today we are going global. But let me show you the kids first that we're gonna feed. There's just over 100 of them. Hello! Okay, and then let me show you where we're gonna plant them. While the kids are enjoying themselves next door at the soup kitchen, IMS and the permaculture partners. Permaculture partners, let's hear the names quickly again. What is your name? Nanyas. And? Say again? Thomas. And your name? Lucas. And your name? Daniel. Let me show your shirts quickly to the world. So the permaculture partners are hard-working kids, and they are model, thank you guys, they are model citizens for the township. They are real examples of what a young gentleman can do. Now, this yard has been blank. They have seen what we've done at Manette's house. We've planted 7 trees at Manette's house already. That's not counted in our subscriber trees. And we've built her a net house, and we built her water tanks, and she's been gaining a lot. She got that from us because she feeds children. She started off feeding disabled children, and she realized there was a need. And so by feeding these children, it gives the parents a breathing space of, listen, tonight I don't have to worry about where to get food for my children. And she's seen that need, and she's gotten people like me, and in today's case, Sue B. Sue B and her husband Michael had birthdays recently, and they decided instead of spending money on themselves, they are going to spend money feeding 100 kids, helping us plant these trees, and just changing the world. Now, I said today we're going global. I want to do a couple of things. You see, one of the things that I want to do is, while we're planting a giant baobab here, and we're planting this incredible citrus here, and the papaya over there, I want to challenge some channels that I respect. Project Camped, I want you to plant a citrus, or you can decide what tree, a sister tree for that papaya. Then David the Good. Now, anybody that knows my channel know that I like David the Good quite a bit. I do believe that I have a better beard than him, but he's probably a better gardener than me by far. I want you to plant a sister tree for this citrus over here. And then Henk from Namibian Food Forest Homestead, I want you to plant a sister tree for that baobab over there. So I'm gonna tag those 3 channels in this video, and I want you guys to go into the comment section and remind them that in Namibia, we're changing the desert. These kids and IMS and all of you subscribers are changing this barren landscape into a food forest, and that they should support us by planting a sister tree for this project. Now, I know 10 trees, that's what we've planted so far for this challenge. We've planted hundreds before. It's not going to make a difference. And 3 trees in a yard like this is not going to make a difference. But we're working, there's method to our madness. We're planting only 3 trees because that is what the people in this area can water with their laundry water. They don't have to buy a single drop of extra water to support these trees. It's relatively low risk. If a family doesn't look after their trees, we lose 3 trees max. There is so many people that's so grateful to do this and to receive this, and eventually we can add a lot more. I want to show you some of the trees that we've planted for Manette a while ago. Just excuse the noise, the kids are really enjoying this, so I hope you can. Yes, the kids are really enjoying this. There is a passion fruit over there. There is a mango that's getting a little trampled over there. There is a guava that's really thriving over there. Kids are really waiting for their food. In here, seems like we've planted actually a lot more. There's a lemon that we've planted over there. This is the net house that we've placed. Now, Manette had trouble. The municipality has cut her water off 2 months ago, so she had to carry the water into the net house. But still, it doesn't look half bad. This is a orange, if I'm correct, if I remember correctly. This is a avo. This is a local tree, I think, and this is a citrus. I just can't remember for the life of me which citrus, but look how pretty the blooms are. And then there's some papayas in the making for our project. There's some papayas in the making for our project. And this can happen everywhere. We've did the math. 1 tree equals 1 month of salary for a normal working person here. The food that produces. So the change of life that we can have here. I mean, this is basically the trees that we've added to Manette will basically give her so much value in money. Just look at kids enjoying that machine. You can put the trees, yeah. Sorry, the kids just want to ask if they can start planting the trees. Let me just walk back quickly. Kids are really loving the jumping castle. They're struggling to keep them going. And so you can turn a barren yard. 3 trees here is not going to make a difference, but 6,000 trees, which is our initial goal, and if you subscribe, that goes a bit higher, can change this whole township into something fantastic. And so it's going to be a sparsely, densely forest. It's not going to be, all the trees together. Every yard is going to have a couple for the first couple of years. Imps, you can add, that's fine. You can plant. And then as we grow, as we get these people involved in the gardening, more trees and more trees will be added. And Oppo, finished. More trees and more trees will be added. And that will eventually change the life of so many people. Hey. Yeah, Subi, thank you so much for this. I think this is going to have a giant effect on the kids and everybody that has subscribed. I think this is a wonderful thing. You can think of all the words you can to try and sell this to people. It's not easily sold. So I'm just explaining to the kids quickly that the level of soil needs to be equal to the level of where this level is now is where the level needs to be. We have a serious termite problem. I don't know if you've seen the previous video. Namibia is quite famous for the termites, and our termites have got a special little attitude amongst them to try and kill trees. I think that's enough. That's enough, imps. And so fighting termites is quite something. Right, so what did we accomplish today? So first we delivered some wood, then we bought gas for Manette's cooking. We supplied all of the food. We're really grateful for everybody that contributed to that. We supplied trees. Some of these trees, quite expensive trees, bought from a nursery, and some were grown by ourselves, like this papaya is a homegrown papaya. That lemon is a very expensive lemon, and then that baobab is a government nursery lemon. We fed 100 kids. We placed the jumping castle up for them. They really enjoyed that, and I think it was a giant success. Thank you so much for everybody helping us and supporting us. For the subscribers, thank you. Please go and tag those channels. David the Good, I know you're good enough to plant a sister tree for us. Go and do that. Henk, go and do that. Project Camp, show us what you've got. Plant a sister tree for us, and then I will see you tomorrow. Let's plant a tree for every subscriber. Have a wonderful day.